Haunting new photos reveal squalor inside Gene Hackman's palatial $4 million home, where legendary actor and his wife Betsy were found mummified. Haunting new photos have laid bare the squalid conditions inside the home where Hollywood legend Gene Hackman and his wife Betsy lived and died. The 95-year-old actor and his 65-year-old wife were found dead on February 26th at their New Mexico mansion after a contractor and security guard found their mummified bodies and alerted the authorities. It was later determined that Betsy died from hantavirus pulmonary syndrome around February 12th, a rare condition brought about by a virus that is spread via rodent droppings and urine. Hackman died a few days later on February 18th from severe heart disease, which was exacerbated by Alzheimer's disease and kidney disease. The US Marine veteran and two-time Oscar winner may have been unaware that his beloved wife was dead due to his health condition. Investigators suggested cops who combed their home following the gruesome discovery shared body cam footage, which captured how the couple's heartbroken dog watched over Betsy's lifeless body as it lay surrounded by clutter. Piles of clothes, documents, pictures, and other personal items are seen littered throughout various rooms inside the $4 million mansion as deputies walked to the other side of the home, where Hackman's body was found. Now new pictures showing every inch of the property have revealed the extent of the legendary actor and his wife's hoard of belongings, accumulated over their 34-year marriage. Clothes which mounted up over decades fill some of the rooms of the sprawling Santa Fe home, while other items including dog beds, pill packets, and bedding are seen strewn across the floor. A dressing room is filled with piles of shirts, jeans, dresses, and boxes of shoes, while other treasured items are stacked high, close to toppling over. A series of heartbreaking notes were also found dotted around the house, each exchanged between Betsy and Gene and showing the couple's affection for one another until the end. Photos of their adored German shepherds also adorn tables and sideboards, with smiling pictures of the couple with their old pets dating back years. The pair had 3 dogs at the time of their deaths, with 12-year-old Zinna found dead in a crate at the same time as her owners were discovered. The pet likely died from starvation and dehydration, police said. The 2 surviving dogs, Bear, a German Shepherd, and Nikita, an Akita Shepherd mix, have since been rehomed. A wall of rosettes from dog behavior and agility competitions is seen in the snaps, demonstrating the passion the Hackmans had for their animals. 2 calendars decorated with pictures of German Shepherds are also pictured, with appointments and reminders written in for the month of February before the couple's death. A Santa Fe, New Mexican local newspaper dated February 11th was also pictured among the items police found, suggesting that Betsy may have collected it from outside the home or had it delivered shortly before her death. An unfinished puzzle is seen alongside piles of coloring and dot-to-dot books, shedding light on how the reclusive couple passed the time. A gym filled with exercise equipment, including a boxing bag and bench press, is also pictured. An adjoining games room is complete with a darts board and arcade machines, while a large snooker table also appears in the shots. Retired Hollywood actor Hackman spent much of his later life painting after moving to Santa Fe, and piles of canvases and art materials are also seen covering tables and piled against the wall. Framed artworks of their dogs sit on the kitchen sideboard, alongside pot plants, mugs, and plates. The fridge is stocked with bottles of beer and wine, and the kitchen appears pristine and ready for use. But other parts of the house appear less than clean, with pictures showing filthy surfaces, an unclean bathroom, and messy living quarters and bedrooms. Plates and food is seen left out on various surfaces, including 2 packets of bagels on top of a row of books and rotting fruit and vegetables on the countertop. Several disturbing images show what appear to be bloodstains on a pillow, with a discarded plaster also seen in the bedding. In another set of pictures, a basin and vanity area in one washroom is seen covered with pill bottles, flasks, hairbrushes, and jewelry. A dog cage and bed is seen in one corner of the room, with drawers are left open and clothes scattered around nearby. Betsy, a pianist originally from Hawaii, was found on the floor of a bathroom in the couple's home, with a portable heater nearby and pills scattered on a countertop, according to police. Her husband's remains were found on the opposite side of the house in the mudroom. He showed signs of active decay, including blackened hands with tissue breakdown. Detective Joel Cano wrote in a report released on Tuesday. Police released the body camera video and other public records related to the investigation into the reclusive couple's deaths on Tuesday. The documents, which initially had been sealed by a temporary court order to protect the Hackman family's privacy, were released after a court ruled that most of them are public record.